Inside the courtroom.
For the record, John Johnson, anything be down with line. Judge, he has violated the terms and conditions of probation.
Hold on just a minute. Hold on just a minute. Spell the name. Oh, there it is. There it is. I got it. Never mind. Go ahead.
Judge, he has violated terms and conditions of probation, but with an explanation. He was in a car accident.
Ooh, how you doing? When was the accident?
February of 24.
Okay.
Judge, there's not going into details of a no fault action. There hasn't been any financial progress there. And again, I'm not fully aware of the particulars in that matter. But he's without health insurance at this time. And from substance abuse treatment and the testing he does need health care. The payments, he doesn't have any money, hasn't worked since that time. His wife does work as a nurse, but has only recently gotten employment. So Mr. McLean has not been,
Okay. Okay. So if I understand correctly, Mr. Rowley, basically since March 19th for the sentencing, he hasn't done anything, including report. Okay.
She does have a disability hearing on the 23rd of September. It seems like forever, but based upon what he's going through right now, I've done a few of them in my career many moons ago, but I would believe that he would qualify because this gentleman can barely walk, and I think he'll be up to snuff in terms of getting Medicare and eventually completing substance abuse with testing and most importantly, all the payments.
Okay. If you want to.
As far as with reporting, at the time of sentence, you allow me to video call or phone call in to report, which I did. I phone called in, reported in April of this year, and I tried to go to. I went to the location on Grassley in Roseville, Michigan, to do the urine analysis. But I didn't have the money to pay for the testing, and I needed the health insurance, so I couldn't follow through at that time. But I've been in contact. I called my probation officer twice, and I've been in contact with her through email.
All right. Well, first of all, I don't think I've ever told anybody that when I put them on probation for drinking and driving that they could report by phone. Probably what I told you is you wouldn't have to report in person every month, but initially there'd probably be some in person. That's what I normally tell people. I don't have a specific memory of what I told you. Have you had any contact with him?
I believe he reported, his first month in April, no report in May. But no, I know he did reach out to me regarding the testing, saying
Okay.
that now have the
Right.
to do so, but limited to communication.
Right. What's your recommendation?
The jail closed.
Judge, again, I can respect how the court is frustrated with Mr. Rowley, but I'm asking for a continuation. This gentleman doesn't have a dime to his name right now, and he hasn't worked and he hasn't got any payments from the no fault action. He may not get it because of some issue, but that's neither here nor there. He will qualify for Social Security disability, and that will put him in a path to compliance with adding the health insurance. Although he was a bit foolish in his initial response.
I'll give you the same deal I gave you on the last one. We'll review it August 20th, but I got to see some kind of action. I got to see some kind of plan. I mean, this is July 16th. I sentenced on March 19th, and literally nothing's been done. And all of what you need to do doesn't cost money. There are ways to do. I mean, there are substance abuse programs out there somewhere that you don't have to have insurance for. But you gotta. If you can't just do everything without fail, then you got to be seeking help from probation all the time. Because the monkey's on your back. She's not the one that goes to jail if I get fed up. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good luck.
Judge, thanks.
You're welcome. So Heather, you want to run a farm? You want to run a farm? 28.
Inside the courtroom.